Hey, it's Avi, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you a tutorial how to do a cool Photoshop trick. So this is going to be what the pictures will be at the end, and this will be the original. You could see the difference. So I already did this once to show you the final part, and I'll walk through it again. And the photo is available on my EYEM profile, which is a social media site for you could purchase, I guess, and support me. I'm gonna put the other photos in a folder, just so they'll be out of the way. I'm making a new folder, and I always like to put the original file in a locked format so you could see. So now I could cover that, and then let's name this say people remove, and this is where we're going to use content aware fill. So you could use any lasso tool, or I think even magic wand. I prefer the magnetic lasso because it's easier to use than the pen tool, the other ones. And this photo is taken with my smartphone, and I'll put the links in the comments. I know it's not the best phone, but it's a good picture. And you're going to have to right click and click fill and set it to content aware, and you could change the modes. These usually work the best for me. Click OK, and now it's going to process in the background. And now it removes it, and Control D on Windows. And now you can't even see it. Previously, when I did it, I wasn't so accurate, so I didn't miss a spot, but it went over and it changed the color of the lake. So then I'll show you also how to fix that if it happens. Let's remove this guy. I believe it's either 2 or 3 people. The more accurate you get, the better content aware fill works. Let's end this and fill. Same settings basically. This one might be a little harder because it's the lake and the beach. And I also added another spot. And now you could see the background, so this is where I'll go in the next spot. I'm gonna copy it again. Just because if I accidentally draw on one, then I'll need to trace my steps back. I'm going to use the spot healing brush, but there's other methods as well. And this is a contextual look at its surroundings, and it tries to correct it. It does a decent job. Alternatively, you could use a healing brush. So that's the end. You could kind of see it. It's the invisible man. Let's see if we could play around here. I know this isn't the best option, but it's an easier one and it's harder to mess up. So you see how in this case I got a beach over there, so let's start from scratch, I guess. Let's try the healing brush. That works better. That turns it into a pattern. The patch tool lets you draw an original space and move it. So let's draw over here. Let's move it here, and then it takes it into consideration. That's a lot better. And now that's in. It's good enough for this tutorial, but if I'm doing actual photo touch-ups, I would focus more and maybe even use the brush tool to get accurate. So let's go from the original to the people move. So it would be this one to this. and we're halfway there. So now I'm going to go on image. I realize this is also an easy way to do it, but it was a hazy day, and I want to brighten everything up, and this adds a lot more contrast to it. Doesn't help much with the sky, but with everything else it does. So you could either do that, or you could do a few other adjustments or filters, or even I considered bringing it into Lightroom and doing it over there. So add HDR. See how this works. You can really change the whole look of the picture. So I guess we'll end it here because I actually like the look, and I showed you with the previous contrast tool, and that's how I did in the example, but this HDR thing looks better, and it covers up the spots where the people used to be. And then I could just add some more additions, but this tutorial is mainly to show the use of contour fill. So I hope you liked it. Please subscribe and like this video if it helped you. And I'm posting, I guess, 3D printing videos and stuff with Android, but I also enjoy doing Photoshop tutorials. So I guess please leave a comment of what you would like to see more and if I'm missing anything. And have a nice day.